all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Grind, taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa. Grind. YouTube, what is good? Back to you guys in our kitchen, since this is where we are all the time. Today is that little Topshada birthday meet. It's not little, let me not say that. It's a lot of things we gotta get together in order. I literally have to go get my wheels mounted with my brand new tires that I got. I need to go take those to get mounted. I forgot my fog lights when I did the headlights last night at X's place, so gotta swap over the fog lights. I also have to fix the underneath carriage and little stuff, and like I told you guys, my turbo one that came. Minor things that I need to do just to get this wagon ready, but I'm more focused on the wheels right now, so I'm just waiting on my dad's truck. But in the meantime, let me move the wagon because I have it like out in front in my house, and like people can see it driving by. One of these rooms in my house is literally a mess, but as you can see, I have these sack of wheels there, and I have my brand new tires right outside. So I'm gonna be putting those on today and revealing the wagon. YouTube, you guys will be a little bit behind on schedule, as in like things on person. So if you're following me like on Instagram, you probably already seen it posted, stuff like that. But yeah, YouTube, you're behind, I'm sorry, but it's just how it has to be. These are the new wheels. I feel like these are gonna look amazing on the car. I'm literally just waiting for my dad's truck, and then we'll go mount these things on the wagon. But for the most part, I am running a 235 4019, and these are Toyo Proxy Sports all seasons, so I spent a pretty penny for these, but it is what it is. Got it all set, brand new for. And yeah, shout out VR Wheels, because they always help me with wheels whenever it comes to my cars, and they always can get it any size, and they add new lips, do all the good work for me. So shout out VR Wheels for hooking me up with these. And originally these were from my Supra, but I don't have it no more, so we had to make it fit for the wagon. So these should be 19 by 10 squared. And then also I had to run adapters, so I have custom adapters that came in, because since the Supra's 5x112, I couldn't get these re-drilled to 5x120, so now your boy has to run adapters, and I couldn't find any 15mm adapters, so I had to get them custom made. So yeah, this is the tire setup and wheel setup. Wheels are acquired right there in the back, everything mounted, so you about to go home and bang out this wagon to get ready for later today. I wasn't really expecting a big turnout, but I think it might be bigger than what I was expecting. So it's about 11:50 right now, so I got a couple hours to bang out the wagon, and yeah, it should be good from there. Just gonna go home and install the spacers, remove my studs, and we will be good. Wheels are on. Alright boys, wheels are back home, and we gotta get ready to put these wheels onto the wagon. Now I have stud conversions that I'm gonna have to remove all around, and so I'm gonna just get to jacking this thing up, and let's tackle it, because I'm actually running on a time clock. Okay, so like I told you boys, those wheels were originally for my Supra, but of course I don't have the Supra anymore. So what I had to do was get custom adapters. Now these my board here, my pattern is 5x120 for BMW, and the Supra was 5x112. Now the only adapters I see online were like for 20 mil and above, so these are 15 mil. Hopefully they fit, but yeah, I had to go ahead and remove my studs, and now we just install these bad boys. I figured I went a little bit too aggressive, but I actually might make it work. I don't know how, but I might have to do some shaving, and I might be able to make it work, honestly. But yeah, that's what this wheel is looking like. I like it. It looks good. All right, boys. So the rear, we're looking pretty damn good. It's just the front. I think we went a little bit too aggressive on the spacers. And maybe the tire size, maybe I should have went maybe a 225/40 or 235/35. But I'm just gonna see if this fender will, you know, like auto roll itself. And I've been using tire shine and all that to try to see if it'll slide down. But also I only have one side on. Your boy just got out of work, and let me tell you a funny story real quick before we get into today's video. So believe it or not, right, my wheels that I bought that you guys seen, I put them on and they were a little bit too big. If I ran a little bit more camber, we might have been able to fit it, or I raised the rear strut, whatever. So your boy went and ordered a new tire size. Now, not only did I order 4 new tires, I ordered 3 times 4 new tires. So I ordered 12 tires. Now, don't ask me how. I don't know what happened. The site was glitching when I tried twice. So I went, used the computer. It finally went through. Woke up the next day. It was like, you have 4 new packages on the way. I was like, that's what's up. Then they sent the same message again, and I was like, what? And then they sent another one. I was like, bro, I really have 12 tires. Like, look, I have tires out there, right? And now, hold on, let's go outside. So, these tires literally just came in today. Those are the Lexanis I was gonna run. But also my boy Marco, you guys know he does tires at his house. He swapped some other tires that came yesterday. And these are Lionhearts. So, yeah, I just went with whatever tire came first, and the Lionhearts came, but it was like a bad day yesterday, and I worked all day, so I couldn't really put them on. So it's Friday now. We're gonna be putting them on now, and I'm expecting 4 more tires, and then I also have my Toyo Proxies that I put on first. That was 235/40 19s. These are now 225/35 19s. And so are those and all the other tires I bought. So today we're gonna be fixing the fitment and putting on the wheels on the wagon. And also I have a part to install, my turbo inlet. So I'm just gonna combine it all into one video. And so yeah, let's bang this out. Alright boys, so I kinda had something bad pop up. So the other 3 wheels are on. They went on no problem, right? They went on no problem. And I still haven't test fitted them on these new tires. But I kind of stripped, well, I don't know what happened, but one of the lug nuts here, I don't know. But so I have to go buy a bolt extractor, and then or a lug nut extractor, whichever one, and then come back and finish up this wheel, and then check the fitment, and then we'll see how we're going from there, and then we'll install my turbo inlet. I literally just got back from like Harbor Freight to get this, see if we can remove that little lug nut. It's another day. It's literally the next day, and yesterday I kind of had some issues with the wheels, but I'll kind of get into the issues because I was able to get them fixed. So shout out to Marco, you my guy. Marco came through, he helped me figure out the problem, and we found a solution. So all thanks to Marco. It's like 80% him and like 20% me. So Marco, you guys know I always shout out Marco, my neighbor. He's the GOAT. Make sure you go follow him, bro. Turn Marco up. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the new fitment, and it's beautiful. And like I said, I'll go over what really happened. But for the most part, for the second part of this video, I have to go get an alignment, right? I'm gonna go get an alignment, but that is after we install this turbo inlet. Now, I told you guys my stock one, you see where the intake is, where it meets up to the turbo inlet. There's kind of like a little gap, so the car is running a little because I have boost leaks, so you know what I mean. So hopefully this will fix it because I have new clamps on everything, and we'll get rid of the flimsy plastic. So yeah, let's go outside and check out the wagon. Let me know what you guys think of the wagon's new fitment style. We were able to max out more camber in the front, so that helped a ton. But yeah, we're gonna go get an alignment, and like I said, I'll go over later about the whole wheel situation and so forth.